Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and I wanted to talk to you today about contingencies. What are they? Basically, a contingency is the deal has been struck. You and the seller have come up with terms that are amenable to both parties. However, you want to make sure that all of your pieces to the puzzle are the way that you expect them to be. For example, you have a home inspection contingency. This means that the home is in the condition that you expected it to be. Or you have an appraisal contingency or a loan contingency, meaning the home appraised for the value that you think it will, and that you can get financing for the amount that you need to in order to purchase the home. Once all those contingencies have passed, then you can go ahead and buy the home. You release your contingencies and you're locked into the transaction. But before that, you do have ways to make sure and protect yourself and your earnest money deposit that everything is as you think it should be. Hope this helps. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. If you have any questions, feel free to call me anytime.